Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So let's discuss the global market and US indices, and then we'll check some FII selling, FIIs DIs selling, and then we'll analyze the Nifty 50 chart and discuss some important key levels for the next week. So, to know the important key level for the Nifty 50 and important data and global market update, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular indices update, weekly update, and stock market update. So let's go to the this index and we can see what is happening in global market. When our Indian market, this is the date of Friday, our Indian market was not doing that good on Friday. We already discussed. Yes, you go through the Nifty Bank key level also, which I posted on Saturday, that video, and I posted some important Q1 earnings also of some important companies. You can go through that video and check the levels and the Q1 results. I will give the link in iPiton and will give in description box also. You can check. And today I am posting the Nifty 50 levels. So Indian market was negative. We can see even around 1% Nifty 50 and 1% Sensex was around 1% was down, and when Nifty Bank was not also doing good. And if we see the US indices, so you can see DJI is flat around 0.63%, and the S&P 500 is also 0.33%, and Nasdaq is also flat, overall flat. India VIX is high at 0.145. So overall, we can see the index and all the indices are looking very flat, not very positive, even not we can say not very negative, but yes, flat. And if we see some commodities, so we can see that the gold is normal on that the same rate at the 33.81, and silver is again at all time high. It is around 1 lakh 7,000, even more than that, I guess. 1 lakh 7,000 से भी ज़्यादा है silver. And Brent oil is again reached to 70. The high is 70.71. It has touched the high on Friday at 70.71, which is a little bit alarming. And yes, low is 68, which is actually trading around a good support. So we can say Brent oil, we should and we need to watch in next week what is actually it is going to do. And the 70 level, 70 to 71 level is very very important. So we'll check in next week. I will update in next week's global market update. And now important data of FII selling, which is FIIs has sold on Friday 5,100, even more than that, 5,100 around. And DIs has bought 3,559, means 3,500 around. So DII DIs has bought and FI has sold, and that's why I will show you in the chart how the Nifty 50 was trading negatively on Friday because of these FIIs selling. But Indian market DIs has bought, so FII selling is 5,100, even more than that. So this FI selling is actually is not less 5,100. So overall, this was the global market scenario, and I will quickly check the Nifty 50 and will show you all the chart what all happening. According to the technical chart, we'll find out what the important level can be for the next week. And you can see I have drawn this line, which I have drawn in the last week also. This range is very 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 important. This range is kind of making a narrow, is actually narrowing slowly, and you can see this range is going upward. So this is showing that it is a higher high and higher low kind of situation. And here, which I already discussed, the Nifty 50 has given breakout. I discussed in last week, I think, even earlier than that, that Nifty 50 has given a breakout. But from here, even the confirmation candle also there, the followed candle is also giving the good indication. But after that, this started going down and touched this trend line, which is still, we can see it was retesting, okay, till here. Means last week I'm talking about. I must have discussed all these things in last video. But from here it has retested, again took reversal little bit, but again could not sustain, and again retested. We can say two time it has retested, and then even touched the 20 EMA also, with this blue line, which is 20 EMA, which was also very important resistance. And after breakout, important support has become important support. This 20 EMA even is still on Friday. On Friday it could not saved this EMA 20 EMA also, and could not save this trend line also, and broken with very good volume. And this has already broken on Friday. It has already broken, which is showing a negative sign. It's not very good sign. We can't say it will take a reversal again, will go up. So abhi ke liye to this level has become a very crucial. Now what can be the level it may reach, it may actually touch in coming week. So this again, the downside of trend line, this line which I already drawn, this can be a good support for the short term. If it is falling more, it may come here and may touch this line, which is 24,700 around, and 24,700 to 800 24,800 के आसपास it 700, we can take safer side. 24,700 will be a very important support, which I already even given in my last video also. So this will be a good support. If not coming here, it may take a reversal from here also. So we'll watch next week what is actually going to happen. We'll watch, and I'll update also. But this is very important resistance of 25,350 around 300 के आसपास मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी दिया था ये सपोर्ट ऑफ 25,200 अराउंड आई हैव गिवन ऑलरेडी, which has been broken. So let's see now again it has become a good resistance. So we will watch this 25,350 ka resistance. We will watch it next week. If breaking it, will go again upside. But still we can't say that it is breaking to 25,650, which was already I have given कि 25,650 will be important resistance. After breaking it will go to the all time high, but it has not even broken. So वो तो दूर गया था और नीचे ही आ गया. These was important key level which actually I have to mention. So all time high to is abhi very far away, so we are not discussing this all time high now. अभी हमारे लिए this is 25,650 only will be the important resistance, but only after breaking this 350 only. Okay, all in all, we can go to the conclusion of important level for the Nifty 50. Support 24,700 around, and resistance is 25,350 around, and breaking 25,350 will take it to 25,650 only. Yes, so this was important levels. That's 24,700, and then 24,5,350, and then after breaking 25,350, 25,650. You have to keep in your mind. You have to be mindful with these levels for next week. Especially this we can use for the trading only. लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए तो वी आर एट गुड लेवल फॉर गुड बाइंग, एज I just mentioned that DI is also buying. So these levels are very good for the good buying on dips. Yes, but be careful, be very mindful with this 24,700. Uske baad it will, if it's breaking this level, it will fall more. तो इस level के लिए careful रहना है. We can 24,700 तक we can actually wait also, and then we can go for a good buying. So overall, I have discussed all the global market, FIS selling, and then I have discussed the important key level for the Nifty 50. You should definitely like and share the video for the more reach for the others also, so that they can also be aware with the important key levels. And yes, subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update and indices level update and global market update, all about the stock market in one video. Signing off.